Didn't you know bean sprouts are one of the healthiest vegetables on earth? And they are so easy to grow. All you need is an empty yogurt container, mung beans, and just 10 seconds a day. All we need to do is making some cuts on the lid, just like on the diagram. Add the beans, water, then drain off. Now we place a piece of damp paper towel on top, cover and keep in a dark cabinet. We repeat the watering and draining twice a day. And after 6 days, here's what we have. To remove the shells, simply add water and the sprouts in a large bowl. Shake the sprouts to loosen the shells. Transfer to a strainer, empty the water, and repeat for another 2 times. Then we have these beautiful sprouts. Dry with a salad spinner and store in the refrigerator up to 10 days. Now we have an empty yogurt container again, so start a new batch and we never run out of fresh, delicious bean sprouts. They are great in any salad, stir-fry, pad thai, soup like Vietnamese pho or fresh spring rolls, which I have recipe for those if you want to check them out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or going to make this, let me know in the comment down below. Like, subscribe to help out my small channel. I really appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.